Good morning. What I'm going to attempt today is to remove the front wheel from a GSR 750. First of all, you need a M19 socket for the axle spindle in there, 6mm for the pinch bolts at the front, and a 14mm socket for the caliper bolts. Crack on these things. So I've got me a little bungee strap to hook into there, maybe, or the other way around. So when I unbolt it, drop the bolts out. It's important you give it a bit of a twist to push the pads back a bit to allow it to come past the rim, she says. Which is a tight fit, but if you don't do it, you're going to scratch your caliper. If I tell it around, this would be nice, wouldn't it? That's one out of the way. I should go around and do the other side. Right, that's them done. Now for the pinch bolts at the front. Let's say they're M6. You don't have to take them right out, you just slack them off, which is quite tight. And I haven't loosened this off, so I've got a long breaker bar. Now I've already got the bike on a stand on my, it's like an ABBA stand, and then I've got a jack under here, under the exhaust with a wooden block, just to take the weight off the front wheel. I'm going to try and pull it out. I've got a socket here, a ratchet here, so make life a bit easier, a bit faster. Now I'm going to check the other side. I'm not sure if there's a spacer on this or not, can't remember. Yep, there is. There's a spacer the other side. That edge goes against the fork and that goes into the seal like that. Make sure you move that first and put it somewhere clean. I've got a bit of paper over here to rest it on. And you just pull it out as easy as that. The wheel won't come out because of the front of the mudguard, so I've got to raise it up a bit on the jack and hope it don't roll off down the garden. That should be sufficient just to roll the wheel out of the way. There we go. A little bit more, hopefully. Yay! What I'm planning to do is replace the tyre. It's got life in it. Not too bad. I'm trying to find a wear bars. And on the side there's supposed to be a little triangle like this. Shows you where the wear indicator is, which is, it is there. There's a bit of meat left on it, but as most tyres, they lose their shape over time. They go a little bit triangulated. It's not too bad though. It's done 6,000 miles and I replaced the rear a little while ago, so I've got me a new one to go on up there, and that is the job today, putting a new tyre. Anyway, I've got the wheel back in, I've tightened everything up, I'll just run through it again. Wheel's back in. I'm just going to show the torque setting on this again. On the front axle is 100 Newton meters. It should click. Oh, really? That's it. And the pinch bolts for the axle are 23. But I use this smaller one, 23 newtons. You get a bit squeaking. Right, they're 23. The caliper bolts are 39. One side. That's it. Now the most important thing to do after you put the pack of calipers back on is to pump the lever to get the pistons back out. You're always going to get a bit of rub on the pads, but it's not binding. It's as nice as it should be. That is it, job done. Thanks for watching. Any comments, any questions, stick them in the old box down below. And I hope that's been of some help to you. See you later. Bye.